Are you struggling to find the best temperature probe for your grilling? Then this could be the video for you. Now don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Now the key ingredients for the perfect barbecue is time, temperature and heat. And the main contribution to losing that heat is your temperature probe. So you want to keep that lid shut as long as possible. Now you're cooking steak, the perfect roast chicken, or even the perfect salmon. You want to get the perfect temperature every time. Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be checking out the Chef Temp Final Touch X10. Now I want to thank Chef Temp for sending me this product to try out and unbox and give you a first look at. Let's dive in and check out the quality and the features of the Chef Temp X10 Final Touch. So straight out of the box, it comes with an instruction book. I'm going to briefly show you all around this and the features of this probe. With this probe, when you open it, it automatically turns on like so. It's got a built-in backlight. The backlight will go out after 60 seconds. When it turns up, it's pre-calibrated, so it's set to Fahrenheit. There are adjustments in the rear, which I'll show you in a second, so you can adjust it from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and you've also got a calibration button. With the calibration button, you don't need to calibrate it. As I said, it's pre-calibrated when it arrives. When you shut this, it will automatically turn off. And the fantastic thing about this is when you move this out, you can flip this all the way around 270 degrees. So as you can see, if you flip it that way, the display's reading correctly. And then if you flip it that way, the display is reading correctly as well. So you can see whether you're right-handed, left-handed, or using it upside down or the right way up, it doesn't really matter. This one will change automatically. It's really weighty, so it feels like it's really well made. And as of recording this video, it's around $69.99. There will be a link in the description of where to get one from if you're interested. The other fantastic feature I like about this is it's got a magnetic back. So whether you're using it in your kitchen, you can have it at hand on the fridge, or if you've got it on your barbecue, you can have it on your barbecue ready to go, because I have a habit of losing these. And another feature it's got as well is a hole here, so you could tie a lanyard around there and keep it around your neck, so you've got less chance of putting it down and losing it. So it's always at hand. It's got a 1 second read, so it'll read your instant temperature within 1 second. The battery life on it lasts around 3,500 hours. So that's literally 3.5 years of battery life, which is really, really good. So it also is dustproof and waterproof up to 39 inches for at least 40 minutes, which is really good. So if you happen to drop it in the sink, you've got time to get it out. It's not going to damage it. And if you need to calibrate it, you just put it in an ice bath. Now it's really easy to calibrate. Remove the back, you've got 2 screws, so it's just a case for undoing those. Lift off the back, and it's powered by 2 AAA batteries. As we look in the back, you've got your temperature, so you can switch it between Celsius or Fahrenheit. This does come pre-calibrated, so if we just switch this over and I'll press that temperature button, you can switch it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. And you've also got a calibrating button for when calibrating in ice water. All you do is press the calibration button 3 times, it will go into calibrate mode, drop it in your bath of ice water, give it a stir, and within 1 second it will recalibrate to 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. And it's also accurate within 1 degree Fahrenheit. So if you're grilling a roast beef or you're even roasting a chicken, the speed and accuracy on this is fantastic. As you can see, the probe I'm using at the moment, the probe I've been using takes around 15 seconds. By that time, all the heat has escaped from your barbecue. With the Chef Temp, it's literally flip it out, drop it in, and within a matter of a second or 2, it will give you that instant read. You've got a hold button, press the hold button, and the display will hold at that temperature while you take it out, so you've got a chance to read the temperature. You haven't got to keep the lid up to read that temperature. You can take it out of the barbecue and then read it separately, so you're not going to let all that heat escape from your barbecue. Now don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Is the Chef Temp worth the investment for what you get for $69? I think it's well worth it. You're going to pay a lot more for this type of quality thermometer with all those key features. So whether you're cooking in the kitchen or grilling outside, the Chef Temp is a fantastic investment, especially if recording this. It's $69, as you can see. It's got the Red Dot 2022 Product Award behind it, and I want to thank Chef Temp for letting me test this out. If you're interested in getting a Chef Temp thermometer, check out the link in the description. There will be one down there, included with other barbecue products that I use. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Those of you new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment. If you like the comment, I'll pin it to the video. So happy grilling, and I'll catch you in the next one.